Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
And this video we're gonna learn a new art that is called the paper art. So what we exactly gonna do is very much fun, and for that we're gonna use these newspapers, right? So our background will be these newspapers, and on that we're gonna make some design or the forms which will be very interesting. It is surprise, so wait and watch. So here are few tips before doing this artwork. So what you have to do is you have to take some newspapers, but before choosing that newspaper you have to be very careful that there shouldn't be a much colorful photograph should be there, one part, and second, there shouldn't be a black big bold text. So we have to avoid those two things. One is the black bold text and the colorful photographs. So some of the examples are here. You can see here. So it has that lot of more about the small text. There is no much colors. Here again also you can see in that there is no a big text which will disturb our artwork. So this way these are the newspaper I'm going to use to make our artwork. So let's do it. So here I am using this piece of paper of newspaper, and I'm going to make on this a nice flower, but taking advantage of this background. Okay, so how we gonna do that? Just wait and watch. So first of all I'm gonna make my drawing with this sketch pen, black sketch pen I'm gonna use. So how big the flower I want? So I want this one big flower is one, what I want is here, and another will little be a cut way, but this will be something like this. So I divided my paper into this two here, and the circle I'm just making a center of this circle. So it will be a little rough, that's fine, that's what we are looking for it. And then I'm just gonna add, or if you want to just divide them equal part, it will be help to make the petals in a nice angle form. So I just made this a division, and taking this help of this division I'm just making the petals. This way I'm taking the help of these lines. As per that I'm making the petals, which will be a more perfect. So this way when my flower is ready, I know you must be thinking what is new in this, but don't worry, it will be definitely something new. So wait and watch. Same way I'm just gonna make something which is here also. So the center will be something like this, and my petals are moving in this direction. So this is again done of the basic thing. Now I'm going to use the color, which is the black color, a flat brush what I'm going to use, which is I'm going to give a little dry feel of these things. So here I'm using this thing. So what exactly we have to do is that whatever this a negative part is there, we have to feel that with this black color. So let's start. You have to go and keep filling the black color. Don't worry about this small part. Let it be We want this roughness, so it gives the nice feel of this thing. A nice texture we'll get with this. More important part in this design is that you have to see the text, the newspaper text. That is the beauty of this artwork. So you have to keep as much as the space which has the text, and that is the main flower part what we're going to show here. So this way we're done with this, the background or the negative space what we called is done with this. Now in between I'm just gonna make some rough strokes, something like this, a little dry. So it's looking nice now in this scenario. Here also I'll make some strokes. Corner. And more interesting thing is to give the more nice look to this, I'll just add few of them strokes which on the petals, so that we have to follow the directions. It has to be a random. So see, it's looking nice petals now, it's getting the dimensions. Merge with this center. Wow, this is looking very nice, very nice. See the difference if you keep the plain petals, it's not has the dimension like this, but in this specific area you can see a more dimension, and this is a flat. So I'm gonna add few lines over here also. Now it is looking better, much better. And this way we are done with this painting, which is a nice beautiful flower. Even though it is a black and white, but still it is looking a nice and beautiful because of the texture, the background texture what we use. If I take a more close look of these things, I'll show you how it look. So see here, you can see now the text is very much clear. That's the painting. Fun.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!